Welcome to Farewell Fridays at Gateway Bronco. This week's delivery is headed to Northern California. This is an example of a client coming with his wife to our factory to test drive a few vehicles. They upgraded to this matte finish paint scheme with Ranger stripes, and then they upgraded the interior to the Castano Italian leather. Now they did one more thing, and it's a big one. They upgraded to the Roush edition. It's got a Roush Performance supercharger under the hood. Let's go take a look. Now, what I think is impressive here is how our team was able to engineer this and make it all fit underneath the engine bay so it looks like it came from the factory. In fact, we worked directly with the factory at Ford Motor Company to integrate the world's first Gen 3 Coyote engine, 10-speed automatic, and Roush Performance supercharger in a Bronco. It all works seamlessly, and it's all just as it came from Ford Motor Company. Now, what else is special about this vehicle? Let's go take a look at the back end of this, and it's the genuine barnwood bed. What you'll notice, the genuine barnwood bed, the leather-covered roll bar, the flip and fold seat, this thing has it all. Now, we are delivering dreams to driveways every week. If you'd like to learn more how to turn your dream into a reality, please give me a call. Thanks so much for joining, and let's take a ride together.